I'm going to tell you how to make hummus, which is, I don't know whether it's a Turkish dish or a Greek dish originally, but either way, it's absolutely delicious, and importantly, it's very easy to make, and it's a great snack that you can have with some vegetable sticks, carrots or celery or cucumber, something like that. Key ingredients are tahini, which is sesame paste, chickpeas, lemon juice, garlic, one clove of garlic, and some salt. If you want to make baba ganoush, that's a very similar dish. Really, the only thing you need to do is swap out the chickpeas for eggplant. You need to roast your eggplant either in the oven or under the grill or on the barbecue. But that's really the only difference. And once again, a very delicious dish. So, can of chickpeas. Give those a wash before you put those, because the liquid that's in the can, I've already washed them, and probably a third of the jar of sesame tahini. That's probably enough. Juice of one lemon. Use the whole lemon. Don't waste any. I think I'm going to overflow on my my grater. Nice big clove of garlic. Give that a bang, and there's little bits of not so good there, but we'll throw those out. And that can just go in. The blender will deal with that. Some salt. A lot of seasoning. And the other thing I do is just a small drop of olive oil, just to make it sort of a little bit smoother. Just enough, just like that. And the other thing is you'll need to add a little bit of water, because not much, because as it is, it will come out to. That's probably about right. But we'll give it a whisk and see how it comes out, what consistency it comes out as. Now I'm connected to shore power, which means I can run this thing on 240 volts. If you're not connected to shore power, then you're going to have to use your inverter, or either that or start the generator. I've got a generator, but we're still connected to shore power. So a little bit thick. I'm just going to add just a little bit more water. It's going to go in the fridge, so it's going to thicken up in the fridge. I'm going to give it about a minute and a half in the blender. That's it. I'm just going to give it a little taste just to consistency is right. Perfect. That's it. That will last you the week. Well, it depends how many of you there are, but it's a third of the price that you get in the supermarket. It's 3 times the quantity, and it's 3 times as nice. That's it.